Hi, I'm Philip and I'm a pre-sales engineer at Open-E. In this video, I'm going to talk about the NVMe write-log devices mirror over Ethernet for HA shared storage cluster. Let's begin. One of the most requested features that have been implemented in Open-E JovianDSS Up29r2 is the integration of the NVMe write-log devices mirror over Ethernet for high availability shared storage cluster. Why is this great news and what does it help you to achieve? Necessary to employ a special backplane JBOD which could support both standard HDD or SSD disks and NVMe disks if you wanted to create an NVMe write-log. Naturally, such a write-log is highly desirable since NVMe disks are widely recognized for their superior performance thanks to the protocol, which enables flash storage access via a PCI Express bus. Now you can take advantage of the outstanding performance of the NVMe devices in the cluster nodes while utilizing Open-E JovianDSS Up29r2 in a cost-effective, high-availability shared storage cluster. In a nutshell, fast and affordable. First, let's see how it works. We will start by creating a new ZPOL as usual. In this case, we're going to use non-NVMe disks from the JBOD for our storage data groups. Point 2 is what we want to focus on today. Here, we are able to create an NVMe-based write-log by selecting disks from both local and remote nodes. This is a hybrid solution which allows for greater flexibility as you don't need to have a JBOD device which supports NVMe at your disposal. To see the type of disks used, press the small arrow to the right, select column option and enable ID. To sum up, our configuration will consist of storage created on a JBOD and an NVMe write-log mirror with disks from each node. In the meantime, we created a ZVOL and an iSCSI disk to demonstrate that the write process doesn't get interrupted while moving our ZPOL. We mounted the iSCSI disk on our Windows server and label it as disk E. We also prepared a 62 GB file on our local disk D. We will invoke a cmd command to copy the file from the local disk to the mounted iSCSI disk and track the progress. Now we can move the ZPOL. As you can see, copying is not being interrupted by us moving the ZPOL. The file has been successfully copied and now we can see it on our iSCSI disk. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Share your opinion in the comments. If you happen to have any ideas for tutorials we could make, let us know. In the meantime, click here to subscribe to stay up to date with all Open-E videos.